Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio water sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Seven of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and Four of Pentacles under the deck. Maybe you are confused right now, Scorpio. Maybe you have options, but you are waiting for right time. Definitely things will turn into favor in near future. Wheel of Fortune is here and Seven of Cups. Maybe you have options, you have to choose, but you are in some confusion which one you have to choose. For some, you are in some confusion state. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Emperor, Temperance and the Sun. I think in recent past, everything is about you, especially you want to restore the balance within yourself and you want to take your control back. And temperance, patience is the key. You are patiently waiting for something or someone. The Sun card. Children's also involved in this connection. Major thing happened in past. Very, very positive thing. Some happiness came into your life. Yeah, past was everything okay. Then present, 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups and 6 of Swords. So you are focusing on your career right now, creating more money. Yes, even though you are in slow moving, but you are focusing, especially on your career, and you will get stability. And your wishes are going to be granted. 9 of Cups is here. You are patiently doing hard work, consistently doing hard work towards your goals, Scorpio. And 6 of Swords energy. Maybe there is some communication is coming. Maybe you want to move towards calm waters. Maybe right now you have issues in some area of your life, so you want to resolve those issues. Future, the Star, 6 of Cups and the Fool energy. So there is some positive shift is coming and you are thinking about someone a lot. This could be your soulmate. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And the Fool, you are living in the present moment and going with the flow, Scorpio. This is very, very good energy. So the Fool energy, you will be in near future, and in that energy you will manifest whatever you want, because when there is no resistance, especially in you, in your thinking, then you will attract everything in your life. That is the Fool energy. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Aquarius or Sagittarius. So, Scorpio, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, High Priestess with Ace of Wands, with Ten of Pentacles. There is passion. Your person is passionate towards you. And High Priestess. Now your person listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. So let's see their current feelings. Scorpio. Two cards. Empress. Two cards. Justice with the Star and Seven of Wands. I think they are feeling alone. Maybe they are feeling bored. They are thinking about you positively. They thinking that you are their empress. Yes. For some, maybe the woman in this connection could be pregnant, or one person maybe have kids in this connection, kids involved in this connection. So right now they're feeling missed opportunity with you, because for some you are in no contact. For some there are some issues between you and your person, but your person wishing uh, some positive growth in this connection. Yes, they are waiting. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And three of wands energy. They are waiting. Yes, they are waiting. And justice. Maybe they want marriage. They want to marry you. They're thinking about marriage with you. They have hopes on this connection, and they don't let you go. Yeah, they will fight for your love. So let's see their intentions. Scorpio. Yeah, this could be your soulmate. Nine of Pentacles, King of Swords, and Nine of Wands, Ace of. So right now, maybe for some you are in separation with this person or no contact, or things between both of you maybe not very good, because due to your person right now concentrating on their career also, maybe they have some money issues. So, but this person do love you, because Two of Cups with Queen of Cups, and we got Six of Cups in this reading. You both have strong emotions towards each other, and this could be your soulmate. This is a mutual love. Yes, they are waiting for right time to approach you, because right now they're waiting mode if you are in separation, but they are waiting for divine timing. Divine timing plays key role in this reading, but they do love you. They have strong emotions towards you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are very tried now, and strength with Five of Cups. So they scared for rejection also, they're getting their strength. Right now they're very, very scared or tired or drained. So but they want new beginnings. They will offer new beginnings. They want new beginnings. Ace of Pentacles. One card. Okay, Page of Swords. The Lovers. Maybe you are spying on them social media, and the lovers love is there. Yes, you both have strong emotions towards each other. Definitely love is there, and children's also involved in this connection. Right now the connection between both of you may be slow moving. Maybe you are very slow moving right now, Scorpio. And Page of Wands. So communication, maybe there are age differences between both of you. Maybe you both are mirroring each other. So let's see mutual. Jewel, obsession, and King of Cups, and Three of Wands. Waiting mode. You both are waiting on each other. You both are obsessed with each other, and you both have strong emotions for each other. Definitely, maybe one person is very dominative in this connection than the other person, but you both are obsessed with each other, and you both have strong emotions for each other. Yes, divine timing plays key role. You both are waiting on each other, Scorpio. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Lot of abundance is coming. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Finances and career. I need some space now. Twin flames. Yeah, for some. And passion. Messages are lot of abundance is coming. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. Finances and career. I need some space now. Twin flames and passion. So these are the messages from your person end. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Luck is on your side. A time for healing. So luck is in your side. New moon in Sagittarius, Scorpio, and a time for healing. So if you are going through something, especially mentally, this is the time for you healing, to heal past issues, past hurts. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.